What's up everyone, I'm Steve Armato with Lark Media, and if you want tips and tricks on how to create content in the social media world, subscribe to my channel. I'm back in our video educational series. Bad hair day today, so gotta go with the hat. But today's video is gonna be why your content should be mobile first. You didn't think it was possible for me to have a bad hair day, right? Let's begin. The first thing I want you to think about here is, how much time do you spend on your cell phone every day? It's a lot. You wake up and the first thing you look at is probably your phone. You check Instagram, you check Facebook, you check Twitter, whatever it is that you do, you spend a majority of your time on your cell phone. So that's where all of the content is going. That's where a lot of the content is. That's where people consume the content. So why wouldn't you want to go direct to the consumer? Which is reason number one. It is direct to consumer marketing. You might not be asking for a sale, but anytime you put something on a social media platform, you're marketing yourself, you're marketing your business, you're marketing your brand. That really nice picture of that restaurant that you went to, you're marketing for that restaurant. That really nice picture of yourself, you're marketing yourself. That awesome video that you made of your trip to Costa Rica, that's you marketing your skills in video. It all ties into that. So your content needs to be mobile first, mobile optimized. Direct to consumer marketing is the first thing. Number two, 80% of social media platforms are accessed via cell phone. I'm gonna say that again. 80% of social media platforms are accessed via cell phone. Let me do that one more time. 80% of social media platforms are accessed via cell phone, which means that is where a large majority of people are. So if you want to make a video, if you want to make a video ad, if you want to make any ad, if you want to create any content, it's going to be watched on a cell phone. So why aren't you thinking mobile first when you are shooting? That is the schoolyard you should be playing in, the mobile field. So mobile first when you're creating your content, because the numbers say that is where people are consuming it. Simple math. How much time do you actually spend on your phone? It's a lot. How many times have you been scrolling, you need something, you see an ad, and you're like, oh wow, and you just buy it right there? How many times are you scrolling through, you see a video, and you just watch it right there? How often does that happen a day? Be conscious of that. That's it for this video. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share and comment, and I will see you soon.